This is a class on castellated beam. Uh, I've already taught you in the class, but again I am revising this sheet for you. Uh, it is very simple to understand what is castellated beam. Uh, you have seen that the beam is a horizontal member in any building, which is supported on columns and the slab is supported on the beams. So, in prefabrication, mostly like I told you earlier also that the beam is identified as a girder, and as plain girder in prefabricated buildings, we consider I section, mostly I section as the plain girder. That is the beam in prefabricated buildings. So mostly I section is considered as the girder or beam in prefabricated buildings. And how do we design this I section into converted into a castellated related beam? Now what is it? We have to understand one thing, that this is the web and these are the two flanges. We have to cut the web into uh, in such a way that if I draw the elevation of the girder from the side, I will simply make it mark the lines like this. And the moment like I mark these lines on the web, I cut them with a gas cutter, not a welder, gas cutter. Once I cut this, automatically this portion is going to get apart. Like the lower portion is going to be, the lower portion is going to be somewhat like this. Right? Now once I cut this, I drag this and I attach this portion, I attach this portion to this portion. Now see how do I attach. I transfer it like this. So finally I make it like this. So this is one, one, two, and two. So this two will go there, and we will form the castellations. See, finally this beam will be cut and made to attach to the other half in this manner. So once you attach this beam, two cut portions, you will start forming these hollows. These hollows are nothing but they are called castellations in the beam, right? So, or you can say these are the voids. But the technical word is castellations. That is how like it is called, castellated beam. Now this castellated beam, the depth of the beam, it increases from say x to 1.5 times x or 1.7 times 5 times x. Now once this height is increased or the depth of the beam is increased, you are going to tend to increase the strength of the beam. Strength of the beam. Because we know that the strength of the beam is mostly identified by the depth of the beam. Sorry, depth of the beam. So once like you are increasing the height, you are increasing the depth, and once you are increasing the depth of the beam, you are increasing the strength of the beam. that is about the all about the castellated bean. Thank you.